Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Shrini Holic. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the UNESCO World Heritage Site located at the southern part of India, which is nothing but Gangaikonda Chorapuram Temple built by the great king Rajendra Chola. Rajendra Chola or Madurandakan occupies an important place in the history of India. He is the son of the famous and fearless Rajaraja Chola through his queen Vanavan Mahadevi, also called Tribhuvana Mahadevi, a Chera princess. Under the care and guidance of his father, he grew up as the most powerful general in Tamil history. Rajendra jointly ruled with his father for nearly 4 years till 1016 AD when Rajaraja Cholan passed away. Rajendra Chola started expanding his father's kingdom further across the oceans. According to the timeline of history, Rajaraja Chola died in 1014 AD, and soon after the incident, Rajendra Chola decided to shift the Chola capital to a new place. Rajendra fought many battles and won every one of them. For every victory he gained, he assumed a title commemorating his success. Gangaikonda Chorapuram. It's a combination of 4 Tamil words with different meanings that collectively stand for the city of the Chola who conquered the Ganges. Gangai refers to the river Ganges, Konda refers to the man who conquered, Chola refers to the Chola dynasty, and Puram refers to the city. Hence Gangaikonda Chorapuram. He had gone up to the Ganga in the east and carried the Ganges water along with him as a mark of victory, and then mixed these waters with the river Kaveri. Hence, he is well known as Gangaikonda Cholan. Let's discuss about the temple. One day, we planned to visit Gangaikonda Chorapuram temple. We started from Kumbakonam and it takes 2 hours to reach the place. Finally, we reached the Gangaikonda Chorapuram temple. Oh my goodness, such a peaceful ambience it was. Rajendra Chola developed his new capital at Gangaikonda Chorapuram, which is 70 km from Tanjore and near to Kumbakonam. His intention was to build a much bigger temple and began the construction in 1025 AD. The temple was completed in 1035 AD, which had a similar architecture adopted by Tanjore Big Temple, which is built by his father Rajaraja Cholan. Gangaikonda Chorapuram temple is probably the biggest built by the Chola dynasty and is only one generation younger than that, but slightly smaller in size. The Vimana of this temple rises to a height of 182 feet and is shorter than the Tanjore tower but has a larger plinth. The main tower here is square at the bottom, octagonal in the middle, and circular at the top, thus simulating the form of the Shiva Lingam. The majestic Nandi is a fixture in all Shivan temples. Nandi in Gangaikonda Chorapuram is little smaller than the one at Tanjore Big Temple, and it is not enclosed in a mandapam, rather it is located in an open platform. The main deity of Gangaikonda Chorapuram is Brihadishwarar in the form of Shivalingam. The main Shivalinga inside this temple is larger than the one at Tanjore Brihadishwara temple and one of the biggest in southern India, which has the height of 13.5 feet and circumference of 60 feet. The foundation of the linga has been filled with a precious stone called Chandrakanta, which is believed to have special powers that keeps surroundings so cool at the summer and warm at the winter. The interiors of Gangaikonda Chorapuram temple was very cool when compared to the outside. The unique feature of this temple is the image of a lion through whose body a staircase leads to the well called Simhakana. A well was dug to pour the waters from the Ganges inside the temple premises, maybe to herald the construction of the temple here as a mark of an auspicious beginning. It is used for the perpetual supply of it for the Abhisheka of the deity. However, now the well is not in use, but one can still see the steps leading below the waters. The lawns on the premises are well maintained. The temple is a practicing living temple. Gangaikonda Cholapuram temple is a fine example of Chola craftsmanship. The walls are well decorated with incredibly beautiful sculptures and carvings. The temple walls also contain inscriptions depicting the accomplishments of Chola dynasty. Gopurams, if any, were there, are missing today. Though the entrance does give the impression that there might have been a Gopuram here, that shows the incompletion of temple. The fortified temple complex had large granite walls all around it which got partly demolished by the British for the construction of a dam. It seems Rajendra Chola built a complete city surrounding the temple. But it is only this temple that survives today. Everything else is in complete ruins. When you reach the temple, it almost seems to be standing alone in the middle of nowhere. After Pattadakkal, this is the second World Heritage Site in India, considering one of the tourist attractions of Tamil Nadu, where you do not have any facilities around the monument, not even a basic food. Gangaikonda Cholapuram was the capital of Cholas from about 1024 CE for the next 250 years. 14 Chola kings have ruled their kingdom from here, and to imagine that the city completely disappeared without leaving any traces except for this royal temple is beyond belief. This still remains an unsolved mystery of the lost city of Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel Sriniholic. Please comment and share the video.